In today's video, we'll explore the top 3 resume builder applications for Android that can help you create a standout resume in no time. Let's dive in and discover how these tools can make your job search more efficient and effective. Resume Builder CV Maker PDF. This app offers a user-friendly interface that allows users to create professional resumes quickly and easily. It provides a variety of templates and customization options, enabling users to input their personal information, work experience, and skills, while adjusting the layout to their liking. Once completed, users can save their resumes as PDFs, making them easy to share with potential employers via email or job application portals. Additionally, the app includes valuable tips and examples to guide users in crafting an effective resume, ensuring they stand out in the competitive job market. Resume Builder CV Template. This application focuses on providing a wide range of customizable CV templates that help users create attractive and well-structured resumes. With an intuitive interface, it offers step-by-step guidance on filling out each section, ensuring that users effectively highlight their skills, experiences, and accomplishments. The templates are tailored to cater to various professions, making it suitable for job seekers from different fields such as technology, healthcare, and finance. Users can also export their finished resumes in multiple formats, including PDF, which adds convenience for job applications and sharing. Resume Builder CV Maker. This app is designed for users who want a straightforward and efficient way to build their resumes without any hassle. Featuring a selection of modern templates, it allows users to easily input their details and rearrange sections according to their preferences, ensuring a personalized touch. The app also includes helpful tips on writing compelling resume content, which aids users in presenting their qualifications and achievements in the best light possible. Once completed, users can save and share their resumes effortlessly, making it a practical tool for anyone looking to land their dream job. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of the best resume builder apps for Android has inspired you to take your resume to the next level. Good luck with your job search.